Hi, I'm Eric Lanask. We're here in New York at this year's Telecom Exchange event. I'm talking with Hibernia's Al DeGabriel. Al, thanks for joining me. Welcome.
Eric, nice to be here.
So it's already turning out to be a pretty exciting year from what I can tell for Hibernia Networks. Some exciting news, some product announcements. What can you tell me?
Well, we're really excited about Project Express, and that's obviously our big news for 2015. Project Express is exciting, not just for Hibernia Networks, but for the industry overall. It's the first new transatlantic cable in 12 to 13 years. It's already been named one of the top 5 telecom projects for 2015, and we're ready for service in September of this year. So definitely exciting times for us.
How does Express have the potential to change the market landscape?
Well, in a number of ways. So clearly it benefits our customers and helps them achieve some of their business goals and solve some of their business challenges. But clearly it offers a couple of different things. First and foremost, it offers diversity. It's a fully diverse system from the existing cables that are in the Atlantic, different landing points, backhauls, so it provides diversity for our customer base. Secondly, it offers scalability. We've got customers asking us not just about technology and interfaces for today, but what about our roadmap to get us to 400 gig versus 100 gig? So it really offers that scalability that goes well beyond just 2015. Third, it offers an important link connecting New York and London, which is by far the largest capacity market in the world, and also provides that bridge between Europe and North America more broadly. And then lastly, it's by far the lowest latency cable in the Atlantic. So it's of paramount importance to the finance and banking industry and those customers that we serve.
So as far as connecting, whether it's New York and to London or users in any other geographies, certainly a lot of what we've been talking about, what the market's been talking about, is the growth of cloud computing and how that's changing what companies are able to do, where they place their data and their applications and their services. How has the growth and the evolution of cloud computing touched Hibernia Networks?
Well, it's paramount. That end user demand there is really driving how we build and how we plan our geographic expansion. So, clearly the demand for capacity transatlantic was a primary driver for Hibernia Express, but it's really influential into our plans to expand beyond that, right? So we're looking at those next projects and where that demand's coming from.
Can you tell me a little bit more about some of those upcoming projects beyond Express?
Well, we're constantly looking at how we complement our network today. Clearly we're looking to get deeper into Europe and Eastern Europe, more into western part of the U.S. To connect to our capacity into Asia. But we're also looking at north of the border. There's quite a bit of demand from those big web-heavy customers putting their data centers up in Toronto and Quebec City and a lot of announcements by some of those customers, and they need that capacity and connectivity into the U.S., but also beyond the U.S. into Europe and Asia. So influential in how we start to design our future demand, our future network.
How does the combination of Project Express and some of the future requirements and projects that you just talked about continue to help Hibernia differentiate itself in the market?
Well, I mean, our asset and our network is really differentiates us in many respects, but it also provides the foundation to really the underpinning into our whole service portfolio. So a lot of what we pride ourselves on is that creativity and flexibility to integrate and mix different technologies and solutions and customize an offer for customers to really target and meet their business challenges.
Excellent. Al, thank you so much for joining me, telling us a little bit about Project Express. I hope to talk to you again soon.
Thanks, Eric. I appreciate it.